So today I'm going to show you how to make money on YouTube. Hi, are you a beginning sewer and you want to learn how to sew? Don't you worry, I got you covered. I just bought a brand new sewing machine and we're going to unbox that baby together. Let's get started. So Joann's had this sewing machine on sale for $169.99. Let's open her up and let's do a project. So, I got my nifty little shears here. Boop. Pop her open. Alrighty. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. It's a heavy duty sewing machine too. And I've never had my own brand new sewing machine. I've always had like secondhand ones. So I'm so excited. I'm like, you know what? 2025 is a new year and I want a new sewing machine. And did you know sewing machines come already threaded? That's right. So all you gotta do is take this baby out the box and get ready to make a project. Do you have any projects in mind? I have a few that's very beginner friendly and great first time projects. Ooh. Look at her, ain't she pretty? Ah. Yes, baby, yes. All right, so this is your power cord. So you're just gonna plug this in, and this is your pedal. So this is what your feet is gonna press to make your sewing machine go. Now you can be a fast driver, you can do the speed limit. Now it's totally up to you. Plug the machine in, press the power button. The light comes on. So here are all the different types of stitches that the machine does. And these are the additional features, which is an automatic buttonhole with balance control, adjustable thread and tension, selectable needle positions, stainless steel bed plate, a thread cutter, reverse level, and a free arm. Plus, you get 20 bonus accessories. So you get all-purpose sewing foot, zipper foot, buttonhole foot, button sewing foot. You get the Joann machine needles by Oregon. You get class 15 bobbin. They give you 4 of those. That's good. And then you get a seam ripper. You can never have too many seam rippers. And you get a brush so you can clean your machine. And then you have edge quilting guide. Then you have a large, small spool holders, extra spool pin. And then you have the spool felt pin, the dust cover, and the L screwdriver. Man, this is awesome. Awesome. So they also gave us this, isn't included. This is a cover for the sewing machine. Now this is awesome. I'm so excited that they sent this. But what I'm gonna do is make my own, of course. You gotta make it too new for you. So a lot of people is making money on YouTube. So today I'm gonna show you how to make money on YouTube. Do you want to make this? I'm about to show you exactly how to do that. Well, not exactly. Take some money that's already made, and then I'm just gonna make a case so that the case is a money case. So what I'm gonna do is just trace and make my template so I know exactly where to sew. So I'm using my chalk to go ahead and mark it out. Now, after I mark it out, the line with the chalk is actually going to be the sewing line, not the cutting line, the sewing line. So that I know the edge. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to stitch around our line, our sewing line. Okay, this is the reverse of the 11, so that's cool. I'm so excited. Can you see it? It's pretty good, right? Boop, 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 boop. All right, we're gonna do the other side. Okay, so I got the pinking shears. So I'm just gonna cut close to the edge where we sewed, but not cut where we sewed. Just cut through. And the reason you use pinking shears is so the edge don't fray. We can go back and sew a zigzag stitch to keep the edges from fraying. So we're gonna take our scissors and we're just gonna cut around right here. So we cut the slits in the top and we're just gonna take it, fold it back onto the thing. So let's put this inside. Okay. Put it and then two, and I'm just gonna stitch it all the way around. See, it's heavy duty. It just went over there like a champ. All right, you guys. We are on. And I was gonna make something totally different, but I seen the case, so I'm like, why not cover it with the case? You know what I'm saying? Okay. So this is the top part where the handle goes. So I'm just folding it down and gonna stitch that down. And then we good to go, baby. And we're all done. How do you think it turned out? Is it too new for you? I think so. So thank you so much for DIYing with me today. I want to say a huge thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you guys for hanging out with me and DIYing with me. You guys can be anywhere on these YouTube streets, but you want to hang out with your girl. So I definitely appreciate it. And guess what? I still got some fabric left. So you got to come back to see what I do with these scraps. When I tell you, it's a little brilliant. No, I think it's a good idea, but we'll see. Check out the next video. Don't forget, sew it up, sew it up. Watch how it turns out. Bye.